Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set a minimum savings transfer amount in digits. Sometimes you want to make sure digit only transfers money when the amount is above a certain minimum. This helps to avoid small transfers that don't make much impact. So to do this, all you got to do is open your digit app and head to settings or savings preferences menu. Look for the option called minimum transfer amount or similar. Enter the dollar amount that you want Digit to use as the minimum threshold for automatic transfers. For example, if you set $10, Digit will only transfer money when it can save $10 or more. This setting helps you to avoid too many, tiny transfers and keeps your savings more efficient. Remember, you can adjust or remove this limit anytime based on your needs. And that's all for setting your minimum savings transfers. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more digit tips. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.